What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're out in the garage. We're going to be taking a look at this 78 ShovelHead. I got a bad throttle cable and a small oil leak to deal with, so let's jump into this and get it knocked out. First things first, we're going to get this air cleaner off of here, and that way we can get some access to the throttle cable in there. Usually these screws are pretty tight. That one wasn't too bad. Hopefully we can make short work of this here. Up here at the top, if you look at the cable, this is what's bad. You can see how the cable is popping through the elbow there. Yeah, so that's bad. So that's why I'm replacing it. The cable hasn't broke yet, but I don't like it. It's super sloppy, so you better change it now. Let's get this air cleaner stuff out of here. Air filter. And I got a new cable right here. It's a little bit longer than this one as well, so it won't be so tight on the tank here. It's pretty tight here, so it'll be more better. So we're gonna go ahead and take this back plate off here for the air filter. Everything on this thing is standard hardware as well, no metric stuff. Let's get these loosened up a bit, and then there's also a 1/2-inch nut back here on the back side that I need to take off as well for this bracket. So get a 1/2-inch socket out here. Take that off really quick. There we go. Oops, there she goes. It's down there somewhere. Alright, we got that off. Let's finish pulling these out. Hopefully this cable comes out of here pretty easy. I've never replaced the throttle cable on this bike before, so we'll see how it goes. There's a gasket back there. Hopefully we don't destroy it. That's alright. It's a little shitty looking, but it'll survive. So the throttle cable is up in here. This is where it's connecting to on the flap here. So we're gonna try and, I think I'm gonna go up top now and try and get it loosened up from up there so I can get some more free play down here to get it out of its socket. So let's go back up here to the top and start taking this thing apart up here. There's two Phillips screws that are up inside here. The lighting probably sucks, guys. Sorry. And there's one down here on the bottom. Well, goddamn, I didn't know they were that long. What the hell's going on around here? Alright, I think that's one. Let's get the other one out all the way here. Hopefully it doesn't fly apart here. Ah! Alright, there's the half. And then there's that. Let me set this down. And I'm going to try and get this cable out of here. There we go. Okay, and there's our grip. Doesn't look too bad. It's not super worn yet or anything, so so here's the rest of the cable. This little piece should come off. That's how you get the cable through there. So we'll pop that guy off. We'll set that down. The new cable came with a brand new one. Alright, so we're going to take this thing apart here. We just got to twist this dealio off, and then we'll add this on the new cable. My cat is over here being obnoxious. All right, so there's that. Pretty simple. And then I might have to cut this zip tie. I might not. Maybe not. Maybe we can sneak it through there. Oh yeah, perfect. All right, so there's our cabe. Now we need to get it off from down here. Hopefully that goes pretty smooth. Yeah. And then we'll, there's this little doohickey in here, and there's some oil all over it because of that oil leak up there I need to take a look at. Let me wipe some of this oil off of here. Kitty, shut up. Do not chew. Oh my God. Look at this nut. He's up here trying to help me out with the throttle. You're crazy, old cat. Alright, so we gotta get this thing up and out of here. Hopefully there's enough room to get it through here. Oh yeah, baby. Alright, and then we'll unhook this. I think last time I had this part, it was a pain in the ass to get back in there, but we got it. So there's the cable, guys. She is out. And there's the separation right here through the little elbow. It's all worn. The cable basically saw. Oh damn, the cable was about to break too. So yeah, it's good we're changing it. So out with the old, in with the new. 50 freaking bucks later. Woo, it's pretty though. And then we got the new little brass collet there, so we'll need that guy. I'm not going to reuse the old one, we might as well put the new one on it. So we'll go ahead and feed this in here and just repeat the reverse order. Actually, while this is out of there, I should be taking a look at that oil leak. So before we do that, let's check that out. And then, so if you look up under here, there's a little tiny fitting right there, a little oil fitting, and it's obviously leaking. So we're gonna take a look at that. Hopefully it's just loose, because I did some head work on this a while back, and just replaced all that stuff. So I believe it's a 1/2 inch wrench. I'm just gonna see if it's loose. If it's loose, oh yeah, it's loose. So we'll tighten it up a little bit, and that should probably stop it. So I'm not going to replace the O-ring in it until I know tightening it down does not fix it. Because I only got 2 of these little O-rings left. Oh yeah, she was way loose, guys. Way loose. Let's check the other side. It's nice and dry though, so that looks good. But let's check it. That's a little loose. You don't want to put too much pressure on them. You just want to make sure they're nice and snug. Little snuggish. Yeah, there we go. So that should stop that from leaking for a bit. Let me go ahead and wipe this off. Alright, so now we'll go ahead and slap this cable back in here. Basically reverse order. So we'll hook this sucker in there. There's a little bit of oil inside this socket here. I guess it won't hurt it, but I don't think it's a big deal. A little oil never hurt nothing, right? Alright, so we gotta hook this damn thing back in here. I think that hole might be a little wore out, but whatever. Alright, and then we'll put this guy in there. This cable is super straight and stiff. It is not like the old one. Oh boy, that's going to be fun getting that in there. Come on, baby. There we go. It's in there. It is in there. Oh yeah. All right. So this will just run up along. Damn, this thing's way longer, but it's actually kind of nice because it was a little too tight. So we'll run this back up around here, and we'll get ready with our little dealio here. This just goes through here. Oh, whoops. Wait, is this the right piece? Oh no. Is this the right cable? Yeah. Hope so. Yeah, see, these threads here are not the same. These are a lot bigger around than these, and it doesn't fit my dealio here. So I'll have to take this back to the shop over there where I got it from and have them take a look at it. I just rode the bike down there and the guy just kind of took a look at it, but it wasn't a part. So now that it's a part, I'll take it with me and they can probably match it up a little bit better. So we'll have to finish this video later, guys. But until next time, guys, hit that subscribe, and there'll be more content like this to come. I got some projects going on, so stay tuned. But until next time, guys, have a good one. Peace out.